Hello, for those of you who don't know, I am Rebecca Vader and I am attempting the craziest thing I have ever done in my life. So, about a week ago, I was given the opportunity to move into the basement of an unoccupied Mexican restaurant in Nampa, Idaho. I haven't had, there, I forgot I have to turn it that way. I haven't had any equipment to do much of like the filming and stuff like that except for my cell phone, but I'm working on getting that sorted. But in the meantime, I've been trying to document this journey via pictures and time-lapse videos. I should, in a couple days, have better equipment to do some more documenting because I've missed showing you guys some of the cool stuff I've done. I'll throw on some of the pictures so that you can see what it looked like before, but just to catch you up right now, here is where I'm at. We'll start at the very beginning when we walk into, before I show you all of this, I just want to say, like, this is straight up my dream come true. Like, a lot of people think I'm completely insane. I have a lot of naysayers, my friends, my family, a lot of people who believe in me, but they need to see proof, right? And so I'm working extra hard. I work 12 hours, 10 hours every single day since I've gotten this opportunity on this place, because I am trying to prove that this is something that I can do, and that if this is your calling, you can do too. We can all make our own realities and all make our lives the way we want them to look. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at right now, and I'll start by coming in through the very front door and walking down into the basement. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna be fixing up this whole place little by little, but first I'm gonna be doing my live work area. So here is the entrance, the hallway, and if I go around the corner, and I've already done quite a bit of work, but I still have a lot to do, and I want to start filming it for you guys. I am a very messy worker. I like to live in my art while I work. I clean it up when I'm done. So this is what the whole place looked like. I've been chipping away at patching it and painting it, and I get distracted and run to other sections and get excited and do other things, but I decided, now this is the crazy part, I decided there's so much stuff hanging on the ceilings and so many like wires and pipes and air ducts and all kinds of stuff, that instead of trying to hide it, I was gonna accentuate it. So I'm working on that. Here is the bed I made. So I found, there was a couple pallets down here, and I found some scrap wood and some scrap screws and nails, and I made this bed frame for my queen size mattress. It was really hard to do. I should have filmed it, but I think it turned out pretty good. It's super solid. It's like a beast. And for half of it, I didn't even have power tools. Well, I had a drill, but I didn't have like a saw, so I was just hand sawing it. So here's an area. So this area is like almost done, and it's kind of like my motivation corner to what I want the place to look like. And this little area is gonna be where I put my indoor garden, because I have a bunch of plants, and I'm gonna try to set up like a solid like little grow area for my house plants, because there's no windows. But I painted the underside white so that the light could reflect back onto the plants as much as possible. And right now I am currently working on getting the wood cleaned up. This is what it all looked like before, and just covered in like paint and nails and random stuff. And I just got done pulling all that out and sanding, and I'm getting ready to put some polyurethane on this area. But yeah, like, you know, I'm working with just stuff that I have. I don't have very much money at all, but this is like my art project that I'm working on right now. So I'm putting all of my resources into it, and I'm using all of the things that are already at my disposal. So when I find scraps somewhere, I'll use them somewhere else. This is going to be, for now, my little kitchen. Right now, it is just where the hot water heater and the heating thing lives. But I'm gonna turn it into a little tiny kitchen and maybe get some water running in there. This area, it's dark, but this is just like a room. I'm not positive what I'm gonna use it for, but it's definitely gonna be utilized as a workspace of some sort. For those of you who follow my other videos, I do art. I'm an artist. I make sculptures and taxidermy and bizarre creatures that live in my brain. So this is pretty much what it all is for, is so that I can work on my art and live in the same spot. This will be my main workspace. And right now it's just, so here's a wall that was super crazy. This is where I found all that scrap wood. Well, actually the owner of the building told me where it was at, but I like went back there and I've used pretty much all of it. But now what I'm doing is, because it just has this weird little cutout, I needed sheetrock, and I decided to like make an actual door so this can be a real closet. So I started using the chunks of the sheetrock off of this wall, but I'll make it look nice. And I'm not a professional. I mean, I've done renovating. I made sheep wagons. Like, I've done a lot of renovating, but I'm not like a real professional. So a lot of this stuff, like, I'm just kind of learning as I go and just trying new techniques, and it's fun. It's funner that way. Here's my little bathroom. I'm really excited to work on the bathroom. I have a lot of ideas for it, but I'll probably move in before it's even done, and you know, just not shower for like a couple months. No, I'm just kidding. I'll get it all sorted out. But yeah, so that is an update, and I guess the beginning of my journey. And if you like this video, please subscribe so you can see the other ones I post on this giant art project, as well as when I start making art again and making sculptures, so you can just, you know, like, see how crazy people live, or crazy Rebecca lives. But yeah. And I just realized I had the camera turned the wrong way the whole time, so I'll just go over it really quick one more time. My least favorite thing to do is patch these holes in the ceiling. I've done 2, like, almost, but man, it is not fun. Kitchen. My beautiful kitchen. My beautiful plant area. These stylish air ducts. This very valuable work area. Double doors into this magnificent shop. Oh wow, look at that, a closet. Oh, this is the cutest bathroom I've ever seen in my life. How adorable.